We back at it again, y'all. Shout out to Andrea's Creations. This is her Lollipop party favor. This is a layered template. You can use all the layers or you don't have to. I added some extra embellishments to my party favor because I can. You don't have to. Look, the template is yours. She gave you the foundation, honey. Use your imagination and make it work for you. Here I'm just layering this young lady that I found on, I want to say, Creative Fabrica, somewhere, child. I don't know. I'll find out. But anyway, I'm just layering her down. I wanted to do something different with this template, so I made it into a Valentine's invitation. And here I am just adding the strap, which I struggled with it, like struggled with it. But eventually I did get it to work for me. I added the lips to the back of the purse because it just had so much real estate. When I mean real estate, it was just too plain for me. And there's the lollipop I just purchased from the dollar store. Girl, them right there are so good. But anywho, I took these to a craft show over the weekend and only made 10 and sold out. Hey, hit that subscribe button. Happy crafting.